with the Mannings man, Jahmaleek Porter. First of all, congrats on making the Dacosta Cup team. You had a very good season. Not many people here in the urban area would have heard about you, but we've been hearing a lot about you. How did it feel when you got the selection?
Well, overwhelming to be honest, because knowing it's the best of the best, and I'm picked to be one of the best, so overwhelming.
Were you disappointed not to get the start in today's game?
Well, yes. Who won't want to start? But I know I had to come out here and do whatever for my team, so I wasn't worried.
Alright, real quick, speak to us about your outstanding season, managing to score. I think it was 20 goals all season. Like, what were your expectations coming into the season, and then how did you feel when the season was all said and done?
Well, coming into this season, knowing I'm a senior, because I had 4 seasons, so coming into the season, this season, I know I had to be a cut above the rest. So I had to come out here and execute my knowledge and my experience.
And that's exactly what you were, a cut above the rest. Mannings unfortunately didn't finish with any silverware. What are your thoughts on your school season?
Well, it was a good season. Wasn't the best finish, but it was a good season.
Alright, and now the schoolboy season is done. You came on, you played in the Allstar game. What can we expect next from the 20-goal man, Jahmaleek Porter?
Greatness. One word, greatness.
Alright, thank you so much for talking to us, and congrats again on the selection.
Alright, thank you.